Have you ever noticed how a cluttered kitchen can make your heart feel heavy? Our kitchens should be places of peace and nourishment, spaces where we feel inspired to create and connect. Today, we'll embark on a journey to transform your kitchen from a place of chaos to a haven of calm using the power of minimalism. Are you ready? Let's begin. Imagine this. You open your drawers and cupboards and everything is neatly organized, visible, and easily accessible. You know exactly where to find your favorite spatula and that special mug that makes your morning coffee even better. This isn't a fantasy, this is the power of minimalism in the kitchen. When we surround ourselves with clutter, our minds become cluttered too. It's like a constant visual noise that drains our energy and steals our focus. But when we create a sense of calm and order in our kitchens, that same sense of peace extends to our minds and hearts. Minimalism isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices about what we allow into our spaces and our lives. It's about surrounding ourselves with things that truly spark joy and letting go of the rest. Think about the items you use every day. Your favorite chef's knife, a well-seasoned cast iron skillet, or that beloved mixing bowl passed down from your grandmother. These are the items that tell a story that hold a special place in your heart. Minimalism helps us appreciate these essential items even more by freeing them from the clutter. When we clear away the excess, we create space for these special pieces to shine. A minimalist kitchen is also a more functional kitchen. When everything has its place, cooking becomes more efficient and enjoyable. Imagine serene countertops, open shelving displaying your favorite ceramics, and a sense of airiness that invites you to linger and savor the moment. When you create a sense of calm in your kitchen, you create a sense of calm in your life. So, are you ready to discover the transformative power of minimalism in your own kitchen? Let's begin. Now that we understand the why behind a minimalist kitchen, let's move on to the how. We'll approach this process with a gentle touch, honoring each item and the purpose it has served in our lives. The first step is to take stock. Open your drawers, cupboards, and pantry and really look at what's inside. Do you see multiples of the same item, gadgets you've never used, expired spices hiding in the back? Remember, our goal is to surround ourselves with items that spark joy. As you hold each item, ask yourself, does this bring me joy? Have I used it in the past year? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go with gratitude. Start with one category at a time. Tackle your utensils, then move on to your pots and pans, followed by your pantry staples. This step-by-step approach prevents overwhelm and allows you to appreciate the process of creating a more mindful kitchen. Don't be afraid to let go of things that were gifts but don't serve you. Once you've decluttered, it's time to clean. Wipe down your shelves, drawers, and countertops. Remember, decluttering isn't about perfection, it's about progress. You're well on your way to creating a kitchen that sparks joy. Now that you've decluttered and cleaned your kitchen, it's time to create a storage system that maximizes space and minimizes visual clutter. One of my favorite storage solutions is clear containers. Whether glass or acrylic, these containers allow you to see exactly what you have at a glance, eliminating the need to rummage through cluttered cupboards. Transfer your pantry staples like grains, pasta, and snacks into these containers for a visually appealing and organized pantry. Labels are another essential element of a minimalist kitchen. Label your containers clearly with the contents and the expiration date. Maximize vertical space by using shelf risers. These handy tools instantly double your storage space, allowing you to store more items in an organized and accessible way. Drawer dividers are another game changer for a clutter-free kitchen. Use them to separate utensils, cutlery, and other small items, creating designated spaces for everything. Avoid overcrowding your countertops. Keep only the essentials out on display, such as your most used appliances, or a beautiful vase with fresh flowers. Under-sink storage is often overlooked but offers valuable space. Utilize stackable drawers, tiered organizers, and hooks to maximize this often cluttered area. Embrace the beauty of simplicity. Minimalism isn't just about practicality, it's also about creating a space that brings you joy. Let's infuse your newly organized kitchen with your unique personality and style. Choose a calming color palette. Neutral tones like white, cream, and gray create a sense of spaciousness and serenity, providing a clean backdrop for your kitchen essentials. Introduce natural elements. Wood accents, such as cutting boards, wooden spoons, or open shelving, add warmth and a touch of nature to your kitchen. Plants are another wonderful way to bring life and vibrancy to the space. A simple vase with fresh herbs not only adds beauty, but also provides fresh ingredients for your culinary creations. Let there be light. Maximize natural light by keeping windows unobstructed. If natural light is limited, incorporate warm, inviting artificial lighting to create a cozy ambiance. Incorporate personal touches. Display a few cherished items that spark joy, such as a piece of artwork, a collection of vintage cookbooks, or a handmade ceramic bowl. These personal touches transform your kitchen from a sterile space into a reflection of your unique personality. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in a few high-quality items that will stand the test of time. Consider open shelving. Open shelving allows you to display your favorite dishes and glassware while maintaining a sense of airiness. Let your kitchen be a reflection of your inner peace and a source of inspiration for your culinary adventures. Congratulations, you've decluttered, organized, and infused your kitchen with your unique style. Now let's talk about how to maintain this sense of peace and order for the long term. Remember, minimalism is a journey, not a destination. Adopt a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item that comes into your kitchen, let go of something old. This simple rule prevents clutter from building up and ensures that your kitchen remains a curated space filled only with items you truly love and use. Make tidying a part of your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each day putting things away, wiping down countertops, and maintaining order. This small investment of time prevents clutter from accumulating and keeps your kitchen feeling fresh and inviting. Practice mindful consumption. Before purchasing a new kitchen gadget or item, ask yourself if you truly need it, if it sparks joy, and if it aligns with your minimalist values. Avoid impulse purchases and take your time to make intentional choices about what you bring into your kitchen. Declutter regularly. Set aside time each season to go through your kitchen and let go of any items you no longer use, need, or love. This seasonal decluttering helps to prevent clutter from building up and keeps your kitchen feeling fresh and vibrant. Involve your family. Encourage everyone who uses the kitchen to participate in maintaining its order. Assign tasks, create a system for putting things away, and make it a collaborative effort to keep the kitchen a space you all enjoy. Focus on the joy it brings. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or tempted to revert to old habits, remind yourself of the joy and peace that your minimalist kitchen brings you. Embrace the journey of minimalism and allow it to transform not only your kitchen, but also your life. And there you have it. From decluttered drawers to mindful storage solutions, we've transformed your kitchen into a haven of peace and functionality. Remember, it's not about achieving picture-perfect minimalism, it's about curating a space that reflects your values and brings you joy. Start small, one drawer or shelf at a time. Embrace the process and let go of what no longer serves you. If this video sparked joy, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple living inspiration. And tell me in the comments below, what area of your kitchen are you most excited to declutter? Let's create a life we love, one intentional step at a time.